Hey, welcome back to my channel, Duct Tape Mechanic. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way, or the very first thing you should do if your Honda Accord is giving the P0420 error code. So if you find this video to be helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more DIY and tinkering videos. So here is my Honda Accord. It's a 2014. But this video is going to be pretty much applicable to any sort of 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. Now, if you have a Honda that's newer or older than this, I'm sure the principle of this video will be the same, because these things are pretty much all the same. Honda makes very robust cars. This thing is very well loved, to say the least. It's got 260,000 miles on it. So that's why when the check engine light came on and I got that error code for P0420, I thought the worst case scenario in that I was going to have the catalytic converter, or at least the oxygen sensors, replaced. But as I'm going to show you in this video, before you even think about doing any of that, go ahead and take the steps I took in this video, because as you can see, the check engine light is no longer on, and it cleared itself after I cleaned out the catalytic converter. Alright, so the first thing to do is read the check engine light. I have this cheap OBD 2 meter from Harbor Freight that I've used to fix multiple cars over the years. AutoZone and O'Reilly will also check the engine light for free. As you can see, I'm getting a P0420 error code, which means that catalyst efficiency is below threshold. The P0420 code can be caused by three main reasons. The number one reason is that the catalytic converter has been fouled, and most likely that is caused by low quality gas. And this is the issue that we will attempt to solve in this video, because it's the easiest and the lowest cost out of all of the other solutions. And the number two reason is that there's bad O2 sensors. The sensors themselves are either giving bad readings or are giving no readings at all. And most of the time, it's the downstream O2 sensor that's bad. And the number third reason is that the catalytic converter itself is bad. This is a fairly labor-intensive and expensive repair, and pretty much should only be done after you've eliminated all of the other issues. Alright, so if you are getting this P0420 check engine light code, the very first thing you should do is use this product called CataClean. Now, I was super skeptical of it myself, so I didn't actually make a video of me using it, but it's actually super easy to use. All you have to do is wait for your car to get down to a quarter-inch, or a quarter tank, I should say, full of gasoline, then add a full bottle of this CataClean stuff, and then fill up the rest of the tank with gas. Then you just have to continue to drive your car for anywhere between 100 to 200 miles, and the product will do its job and clean out the catalyst, and the check engine light will go off by itself, so it'll turn off by itself. And so if it doesn't do that, then you can go and move on to replacing the O2 sensors and hopefully not replacing the catalytic converter. But I will link this product so it pops up around now, and it should also be found in the description of this video. But you can also get it at O'Reilly's or AutoZone for around $30. So if you found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up sign.